Ayan guys, shrimps with egg, black pepper, salt. Sarap to guys. Tapos ito naman, salmon guys. Salmon, nag-fry ako ng salmon. Luto na to. With a little bit ginger, salt, black pepper. And vegetable guys. Oil, ginger, garlic, a little bit water. Yan lang. And salt guys. Yan ang ginoto ko for today. Ayan, okay na to. Okay na to guys. Tapos na ang loto guys. Magpakita ako. O, nandyan. Loto time.